Parent Involvement with Children's Education is Not the Only Answer by Holly Olson. When it comes to children's education, there have been many studies done that show parents' involvement is the key to good grades and understanding. I'm going to share with you today, though, that is not always the case. I want to show you a couple charts. You can see from this chart how parents' involvement can help. It makes a full and complete circle when parents are able to be involved. From this chart, you can see, though, that parents' age and income has both a positive and negative effect on their child's grade. I am going to tell you about 4 young men. These are fictional young men and backgrounds, so please don't get offended, as they are made up. Miguel, Jose, Jimmy, and David are 4 15-year-old young men who dream, play, and learn like any other young men. Though they have some similarities, their home lives are all different. Miguel and Jose's families come from Mexico, and their dads work in the fields. Miguel's dad, when he is at work, tries to learn as much as he can about American culture and improve his English. Miguel and his siblings love spending time with their dad when he gets home from work, as he wants to share about his day and learn about their day as well. His mom always encourages her children to do their best. Jose's family life is different than Miguel's. Jose's mom stays at home all day with the younger children and only associates with other immigrant women. She worries about losing her culture and family, so she makes sure she and her family stay bound to their culture. Jimmy and David's similarities begin and end with the fact both their parents work. Jimmy's dad works at an office and comes home tired. His mom is a secretary, and when she gets home, she puts on her mom's shoes. His parents fight a lot, and Jimmy usually has to take care of his younger siblings and the house. David's dad is a construction worker. When he comes home, he wants to be with his family and find out about their day. His mom is a legal assistant working 8 to 3, so she can be there when her kids get home from school. Even though they all have very different family lives, these young men all get a B grade point average. How your child and student perceive themselves is a big part of how well they will do in school. I have come up with 4 ways you can help your children and students see themselves better, so they will work harder to succeed. Number 1, be there. Offer to help, but don't be pushy. Number 2, encourage. Give compliments and praise. Number 3, show them in different ways that you care. And number 4, let them be themselves. Thank you.